Micharan Lilate class, that's good morning in Rotuman. Today we're going to learn common Rotuman phrases that you can use every day. Are you ready? Let's go. Ka'ay tap-tapin means how are you? Ka'ay tap-tapin, how are you? Ngolele foyak siya means I'm good, thank you. Ngolele foyak siya, I'm good, thank you. Kaseta oasa means what is your name? Kaseta oasa, what is your name? Otoasa le Tevita means my name is Tevita. Otoasa le Tevita, my name is Tevita. Ka'eleum ewutusta means where are you from? Ka'eleum ewutusta, where are you from? Ka'ela site means where are you going? Ka'ela site, where are you going? Ngo te hanuita means I am at home. Ngo te hanuita, I am at home. Se kokon means don't worry about it. Se kokon, don't worry about it. Leum laate means come and eat. Leum laate, come and eat. Kahihisheta means what is the time? Kahihisheta, what is the time? Wow, you all are amazing. Give yourselves a round of applause.